Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing good today. I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter on a Whirlpool refrigerator. This particular refrigerator will actually flash a red symbol that says change filter whenever you start getting water. This is the Whirlpool Gold Series, and this is the model number, or the model right here. WRF 736 SDAM14. Now my refrigerator may not be as clean as some of you guys, but this is where the filter is located, just up top. You can see this little pouch here, and it even says water filter, very lightly, just barely you can see it. And I purchased an exact replacement that I had in here. I actually looked up the part number, and this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that and show you what I've got here. This is the filter itself. It's every drop removes a bunch of different contaminants. This filter cost around $50 at Home Depot or Lowe's, but is only $40 on Amazon with free 2-day shipping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the package. And while I'm removing it from the package, I'll go ahead and tell you that you may spill a drop of water pulling the old filter out. So this is what it looks like out of the package. As you can see, there's a nipple there that's gonna slide on. It says remove in lever. I think that might be a different language, in lever. Yeah, so just remove this, the cap. You can see a little O-ring there. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and remove the old filter and then slide this one in place. So, let it down, twist it counterclockwise, spills a drop of water, and then this is the filter itself, removed. I'm going to set it down. The lid is off of my old filter, and I'm now going to slide it in. As you can see, there's a notch right here. Sorry, as you can see, there's a notch right there just for the nipple of the filter. You're going to slide that in. There we go, slide it in, and you'll feel it's beginning to twist. I had to just kind of find it in there. It's hard to do with one hand while also holding a camera. And it will begin to twist, and it's now locked into place. Turns 90 degrees. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dry that out. Let me grab a paper towel, sorry. Just because I don't want any water sitting up here. Then you're going to go ahead and give it a close. Your refrigerator then makes a dinging noise. I'm going to click the filter status. It's at 100%, so it automatically resets. And next, what I'm going to do is flush the system. You're going to want to do that, fill up a glass of water to flush those lines out. So set to water, and here we go. You might feel a couple air bubbles. I know I just did. Slightly different noise than usual. Much better noise now. All right, so I'm going to check the filter status, still at 100%. And lastly, I'm going to make sure that I don't have any spillage in here any more than I did. I missed a couple spots. Nothing else leaking, and it's good to go. I'm going to close the door. And that is how you change the filter on a Whirlpool refrigerator with the bottom drawer as opposed to the two tall vertical doors. Hope this video helped you guys. Be sure to get your filters on Amazon as opposed to in store. It'll save you quite a bit of money, especially if you actually do this as often as you're supposed to. But thanks guys, please like and subscribe.